how to get paid as a travel agent for free. And stick around because I got something else to share with you that'll allow you to get paid even more. Hello, you got Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And in this brief video, I just want to talk about how you can get paid as a travel agent at no cost to you. And I know you may be thinking, getting paid as a travel agent, why would somebody want to pay me to book their travel? Well, believe it or not, a lot of people get anxiety when it comes to booking their own travel. A lot of people don't even want to deal with the headache of it, so sometimes they would rather pay someone else to do it. So you could take that approach and do it for someone, or you can refer them to what I'm about to show you. So, as you can see, we're here on this particular screen. This is the Cashback Mall. And I'll get a free link so you can get access to this Cashback Mall at no cost and do what I'm about to show you. But the Cashback Mall allows people to get cash back on things that they shop for, spend money on. But for you, you can use it to make money for those who spend money. So with that being said, since we're talking about travel, and of course you see it's a host of other things you can use the Cashback Mall for. We won't go into any of those things in this video. However, let's click down on the travel side. Once you click travel, now you see what it all opens up to. As you can see, Best of Vegas, Cheap Caribbean, Cloud9, the Country Inn and Suites, Cruise Direct, Expedia, Fairbuzz, Flight Network, Go Airlink, Groupon, Hotel Planner, Hotels.com, Last Minute Travel, Motel 6, One Travel, Orbitz, Hotel.com, Priceline, Red Roof. The list goes on and on and on. All of these can be utilized as tools to help book travel for people, or book hotels for people, or book airfare for people if they don't want to do it themselves. However, if they do, and you refer them to your link, to your mall, or to an individual link, guess who gets paid? You, when they book travel. And they get cash back if they decide that they want to set themselves up a free Cashback Mall as well. Now, this is something I want to highlight, because if you're familiar with this section right here, Groupon, plenty of people love Groupon because it allows them to save money. It allows them to test out a product for the first time that they may have never had inexpensively. Well, you have the ability to refer someone to a discounted platform such as Groupon, but you earn income in the process. If that's not good, I don't know what is, because now you can be a partner with Groupon, and all of the products that they sell, travel being one of them, people can book their travel through your Groupon link. Once you click on it, it'll pull up a link that's cookie to you, and you will be compensated for doing so. And as you can see, we have Priceline on here, but I'm going to show you a different way to get paid more with using Priceline, but it's a ton of things that you're already familiar with. Travelocity, Expedia. So these are platforms that are readily available and people know of, but now you become a partner if you use your Cashback Mall to help others save money on travel as you make money off of the travel that they will be doing. Now, when we say travel, this includes, but not limited to, actually flying somewhere. This can actually be rental cars. This can actually be hotels and anything associated with it as well. So different lodging, all of those things, cruises are included. All you have to do is just give them access. And this is a free way to get access to you making money as a travel agent, or booking travel for people, or a travel referral or affiliate, whatever you want to look at it, at no cost to you. But let's show you a different way. This is what I call a paid way to do it. Inexpensive, but allows you to get more money from doing it. So, as we stated, we were in the Cashback Mall. Now let's click on Discount Travel. See, if you go through the discount travel portion, and let me go back. Let me backstep just a little bit. When you go through the discount travel section, you see what it took you to. You see it pulls you up to the Priceline site. But what I want to highlight is if you actually have what we call the income shifting membership, which shows you how to shift your income, keep more of your money, make money, invest, the whole nine. We won't spend a whole lot of time on that, but if you want to get wealthy, you want to have an income shifting membership, hands down. However, if you have an income shifting membership, now you're one of our partners who get access to everything included in this membership. You may have seen videos where we speak on this membership, but the highlight of this is the discount travel. Now, this is a paid platform that allows you to get paid as a travel agent. However, it pays for itself because as a travel agent, you're in business. You get business deductions, so you can write off the expenses associated with this. And this is less than $50 to get started, so pennies. So it's not like you're spending $1,000, hundreds of dollars, pennies to get started, and you can start booking travel as soon as today. But let me click on Discount Travel, and you see where it takes you. It takes us to Priceline. Everybody knows what Priceline is. It's pretty much one of the #1 booking sites as it relates to hotels, flights, hotel and flight combinations, cars, and cruises, as you can see highlighted in these tabs. Now you're a direct partner to Priceline. We had a member in our organization who was making about $2,500 plus a month just off of booking travel for one group of people every single month. $2,500. Now, if he would have multiplied that and started doing it to other groups, then guess what? He could have made even more if he chooses, and that may be something that he decides to do. However, the income potential does exist through being a direct partner of Priceline using the link that we'll make available down below. And I also had another queen that was a part of our team, and she was a part of a travel company, and she said, I'm going to be honest, I get paid more when people book travel through this income shifting membership than I do with my own travel company. That's huge because here's the thing. The travel company pays less than a company that's centered around financial success. We just want to make things readily available to you so you can access them, use them to save money. But if you want to take a different direction and empower yourself and put fuel on your financial goals, then you can make money as well. So she said she get paid more through the income shifting membership using the Discount Travel than she does from her travel company. So we're a partnership with Priceline, and if you have an income shifting membership, now you can use Priceline and use the link that's cookie to you once again to send them to. And if they book travel through Priceline, they save money, but you make money. Or if you want to manually do it for them, if they don't want to do it themselves and you're like, hey, I can look up and see what kind of deals I can get, now you can use Priceline as your back office. You type in all of the information, make sure it's cookie to your link, and once you put in the information, book the travel form, guess what? You get paid. So I gave you a free way and a paid way. The paid way is less than $50, but we show you other things that can make it all tax deductible, how you can make even more money just from having the income shifting membership. So you get a free and a paid way on how to get paid as a travel agent. Take a link, take a click, or take a look and take advantage of the available link that'll be down below. And that concludes this video. This is Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.